How to verify that these two functions fx and gx are inverse of each other? This condition is very important. X is greater than or equal to 2. I'll just mention it just now, okay? In a few seconds. Y is equals x square is normally a parabola. It's a quadratic function. It shows a parabola. So now when we draw this x minus 2 whole square, I have just assumed that we have drawn this. We have already taken the x and y value, and now we have pointed it, and now we have drawn this parabola. Okay. Now we'll test for being 1 to 1. When we do the horizontal line test, we see that this will not be 1 to 1 because it is going to intersect at 2 points. If I draw a line horizontally, pass through it vertically, it will intersect 2 points, so it is not 1 to 1, we cannot talk about inverse. But the restriction is there. There is a domain restriction. X has to be either equal to 2 or greater than 2. So all these behind 2, we don't take it. So now you see, with the restriction, the function becomes, let me take you to again. This is x minus 2 whole square. Now this can be drawn easily. But we have a restriction. We cannot take value which is prior to 2. So this is a restricted domain. Now again you test the 1 to 1. Where you test 1 to 1, it is yes. This is a 1 to 1 function. This is 1 to 1 function. And when it is 1 to 1, that means it will have inverse. When it is 1 to 1, it is inverse. Now let us try to find out the inverse. What are the ways to find out the inverse? Fog and Goff should be x, because G is what? G is only f inverse x. So either find Goff x or Fog x, whichever is easy for you. So Fog, let us find out Fog f of gx. Composition, putting gx inside f. So in place of x, you have to put under root x plus 2. Just put it here. 2 gets cancelled. Under root x whole square is x only. So you got x. And the thing is, these two are inverses because the composition is going to give you x. Let us check the inverse also. G is inverse. So f inverse operation f we are finding out. So g of fx. Now take the value of fx, x minus 2 whole square, and put it inside gx. That is, put it inside this under root x minus 2 whole square. Put it here. So x minus 2 whole square, cancel this root, square and root. We are putting x minus 2 whole square, this root and this square cancel. X minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, you get x. So g of Goff x also and Fog x also you are getting as x, and this is the test for being inverse.